Did you know that in our day-to-day life, with all the junk that we put in our stomach, detoxification is an extremely important process. And if you want to know how, keep watching this video. This is Neha Ranglani, your nutrition and lifestyle educator, and today we are going to be talking about detoxifying your body with cold pressed juices. So there are three most important organs which help to detoxify our body. That's our liver, kidney and our skin. And the best way to accelerate this process is to fill your body with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. And what better than cold pressed juices to do that? So today I'm going to show you a very simple, easy and a yummy liver cleansing recipe. But before that, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how can we analyze whether our body is fit or not? Is it by just checking weight or calculating a BMI? Not really. There are actually 7 different body metrics which help to analyze our body composition. And now imagine if I tell you there's a product which can help you analyze all these body metrics and also prepare a delicious cold pressed juice for you. Yes, this is what I've recently got my hands on and it's amazing. And this product is the Kuvings HealthFriend Smart Cold Press Juicer. Launched recently and stated to be one of its kind in the world, this juicer helps you to analyze your body composition through an innovative BIA technique. And all you have to do is connect it with your phone through an app and it will smartly tell you your body fat mass, BMI, BMR, muscle mass, etc. So on basis of the analysis, this Kuvings Smart app is going to help you out with cold pressed juice recipes personalized just for you so that you can walk on your journey of weight loss or your best health in the most easiest way. Along with that, it also helps you with some exercises, again personalized for you, according to your body structure. No wonder why it's called the HealthFriend. So now let's begin with our cold pressed liver cleansing juice recipe, and this juice is called the Liver Lover Juice. And all the ingredients that we are going to be using in this juice actually help to energize your liver so that it can cleanse better and then you can feel better. So let's begin with the recipe with our Kuvings Smart Juicer. Wow, so look at the color of this juice. It is so rich and natural, and the best part is that when you juice a juice in the Kuvings Smart Juicer, you don't lose your nutrients because there's no oxidation and there's no heating of the ingredients. So I'm absolutely in love with this Kuvings Smart Juicer, not because it's only a juicer but also because it's a smoothie maker and a sorbet maker with these two special attachments. So guys, if you've liked this video, of course, give it a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And if you want to get this Kuvings and decorate your kitchen with it, you can actually use the special discount code which is given in the description below by signing up on the link given below. Till then, have healthy juices and keep your body detoxified.